In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view orders in WooCommerce fast and easy. Managing your orders efficiently is key to keeping your online store running smoothly, and WooCommerce makes this process quite simple. Whether you're brand new to WooCommerce or have been using it for a while, this quick guide will walk you through the process of checking your orders with ease. To begin, we need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your WordPress site. Think of it as your main control panel, where everything comes together. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll want to look for the WooCommerce option, which is usually located on the left sidebar. It's conveniently named WooCommerce, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Clicking on this option will take you to a dedicated section specifically for managing various aspects of your e-commerce store. Now, once you're in the WooCommerce section, you'll see a variety of options available. What we're looking for is the Orders tab. This tab acts as your command center, allowing you to track everything related to your customer purchases. When you click on Orders, it will open up a page where all your order details are neatly and systematically arranged. As soon as you've opened the Orders page, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of all the orders your store has received. It's like having a digital ledger right at your fingertips, giving you instant access to the information you need. Each order is displayed in an easy-to-read format, detailing the order number, customer name, date of purchase, status, and the total amount. This setup is incredibly useful for keeping track of which orders are in process, as well as quickly identifying any pending or completed transactions. Once you're familiar with this order's overview, navigating through this page becomes a breeze. The interface is intuitive, offering you the ability to filter and sort your orders depending on what you need. This functionality is particularly beneficial if you're dealing with a high volume of sales and need to find specific orders quickly. Remember that regularly checking your orders is crucial for maintaining excellent customer service. It ensures that no order falls through the cracks and that each customer gets their purchase on time. The WooCommerce Orders page is designed to make this task effortless, allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than constantly worrying about logistics. And there you have it. With this guide, you've learned how to efficiently view your orders in WooCommerce. This easy access to your order data will help make your business operations smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and take care of those orders. They are, after all, the lifeline of your store.